Pretty girl from Joburg, see me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama. Unless you come in with that. Gotta do what I gotta do. Said it's all brand new. I cannot stop. Gotta do what I gotta do.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a collaboration with Ashimary Hair. They sent me out their 22-inch Kinky Curly wig with 4C edges. They added on some adhesive tapes right here. Comb in the back. You've got the two combs on the sides. The elastic band with the grips on the back. One thing I love about Ashimary wigs, they come with these elastic strips, not your typical elastic bands, but these have the elastic going all around the back to kind of get that 360 look. So I should be able to put it up in a bun, ponytail. We're gonna test all of that. I don't think I'm gonna take down my ear tab, so we can just pull that off. I'm not even about to yap to y'all too much. Let's just go ahead and get into it.
Listen to me, I put some carrots in your ear. Make this stick up, I wanna put it in the rim. Wanna get it deep, I serve it like a dealer. Give it up, I'm thinking in the middle. I'm back in your bird, it doesn't feel no realer. Hop every picture,
I gotta find my little elastics. I'm gonna attempt to put this up so y'all can see what the back looks like when I pull on these little things, so y'all can see exactly how it works.
Jump, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. You know I love to make it jump, jump, jump.
Okay, this is what we're working with so far. Before we tighten these, I want to do something with these baby hairs. So I'm gonna use my, maybe I should use mousse. One thing I loved off the rip about this wig compared to most 4C edge wigs that I've installed, it wasn't just a bunch of hair thrown on the hairline. Like, it wasn't thick and overwhelming, if that makes sense. Once I put the mousse on, I could see scalp. Now, most 4C edge wigs, I either have to pluck them because the edges are too thick, or I have to like push so much back from the hairline. And I really didn't have to do that with this wig. They were manageable, and at first it looked kind of intimidating, but I really just had to get my hands in there first. And once I did, I kind of just let them do what they do. Put some mousse on them, combed it out, and I even like finger coiled a few, and it really laid how it was meant to. You know what? I look like something from Bridgerton. Or someone. But I don't really mind.
you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty.
It looks so much better when it's tightened. All right, let me turn around so y'all can see what it's giving when I do it from the back.
It's a shame, don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know what you want. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things.
And she is giving scalp from the front and the back. When I tell you, it looks exactly like they advertised. And come out the box like this. As y'all can see, you gotta put a little work into it, but child, at this point, I grew these baby hairs out my scalp. It's still glueless. I ain't using no spray, not a got to be, not even a spritz.
Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you.
Just when I thought it couldn't get no better. Look at these curls. They're so juicy. And the only thing I used was mousse and water and my denim brush. I'm not gonna lie, it did have a little shedding when I initially wet it all down, but after that it didn't shed anymore. I'm so in love with these curls, and I cannot wait to see how it's gonna look once it's all dried. Overall, this whole install ate, and it turned out so much easier and so much better than I thought it was going to.
You can flip it either side. It's really cute.
Even when it was wet, I could see how full and thick it is, and just once it dried, it was even better. So full, the curls stayed defined. It was so cute. I wanted to leave it on a little longer. It ended up spraying it down. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this one. If you're already subscribed to my page, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post on my channel or go live, and I will see you guys in the next video.